The signal keeps returning in fragments. Like something unfinished beneath the static. Pressure crawling through the frequency. heart. Somewhere beneath the skyline. Something keeps moving through the frequencies, hidden beneath the noise. Flickering across wet asphalt, black fog drifting above silent districts, subway vibrations beneath cracked tunnels, static pressure trapped inside the skyline. Every corridor feels colder tonight, like shadows breathing through concrete walls, street lights blinking without rhythm, mechanical reflections across broken glass. Signal fading, dark pulse, pressure spreading through the transmission. Fading into fog, empty reflections behind station glass. Every face feels emotionally erased, like the city disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds synthetic now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Pulse accelerating, signal collapsing. No silence inside the transmission. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors. Bass pressure beneath the skyline. Every transmission ends somewhere. This one disappeared into nothing. Emotionally erased, like the city disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence feels artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Pulse accelerating, signal collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Suspicion, 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 suspicion. transmission keeps moving through empty space. No origin, no ending. Drums crashing through underground chambers, smoke spiraling beneath red warning strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery, lost inside hypnotic repetition. Acid frequencies ripping through darkness like electrical burns across steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse, only movement, only shadows, only bassline shaking the floor. Transmission, void. Transmission, black signal, black signal. Empty reflections behind scratched windows. Every face feels emotionally erased, like the city disconnected from itself. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even silence sounds artificial now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Pulse accelerating, signal collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Smoke flooding across warehouse floors, bass pressure shaking steel foundations. Dark silhouettes beneath red lighting. into the void. Beyond the skyline.